What's going on, guys? I am back here at Kentucky Theme Water Park for the construction of 2026. Get ready to test your wings. As you can see right here, we have rebar right there. Rebar has arrived. We even have some wood there as well. So far, we haven't had an announcement yet. They said the big announcement, is going to be the 26th. So that is the last day of when the pumpkins is done. Or let me rephrase that. I'm sorry. It's going to be the 27th. So it'll be that Monday. I don't know what time, but it says they sent an email out to pass holders and people. It says it's supposed to be from 8 o'clock in the morning to 8:05. So about a 5-minute thing. I don't know exactly. We got caution tape over there, as you can see. Not a lot going on over here on this side, but over there, as you can see on the other side, oh, all the birds. You see a lot going on over there. You can see, there we go. As you can see right over there. And then we got over here. So not a lot going on over this end. You see Scream testing for today because they're supposed to open up later on. So not a lot going on over here on this side, but a lot of activity going on over on that end. Big hole over there. There we go. So not a lot going on over here. As you can see. Now, this is Auntie B's and Scoops. They're closed for the rest of the year because of the construction for 2026. They will reopen up next year. They're not tearing, so they're not tearing this down. Actually, it's staying static. So I want to literate people about this. It is closed for the rest of the year, but will not reopen until next year. Activity going on, but they are making a big announcement on the 27th. If I said that again, I will say it again, the 27th of October. So it'll be a Monday. I don't know what time. It said from 8 to 8:05, so about 5 minutes. Don't know what it's about. I also assume it would be about this, and also other things too. Don't know. Here's another angle of the more construction of going on. There we go. We're right there. As you can see, a lot more going on in this area. As you can see. There's the harvest stage. Oh, they're working hard at it. Easy. Well, that's all I can give you an update for now, guys. Let's get ready for the announcement the 27th of October. Get ready to test your wing. For a bonus video, make sure you stay and watch the end of the video of seeing a C-130 land at Louisville International Airport here in Louisville, Kentucky.